Dutch Growers is one business that made a choice at the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic. Customers and employees inside the stores would be required to wear masks. It was a decision that came well ahead of mandatory rules. Now, with the province choosing to drop all restrictions next month, the family-owned business will no longer make masks mandatory. But some policies developed during the pandemic will be sticking around. Hand sanitizer will still be available, and workers will frequently clean the store while social distancing will be enforced.
I think we have a new normal in our world, and I know for sure at our store, a lot of the rules that we've put in place, we've looked at and gone, you know what, this is actually a really good everyday routine. It's keeping our staff safe. We've actually found that we've had less sicknesses, common colds and flus just throughout the store. So there's a lot of things that I think we might keep forever.
Many provincial businesses CBC spoke with say they're looking forward to when there are no restrictions. Others are just beginning to develop the procedures they'll use once mandatory restrictions end next month. Connexus Credit Union's corporate office in Regina is built for 200 employees. But during the pandemic, far fewer were actually based here. The company says its plans are being informed by Saskatchewan's reopening, but that they aren't rushing to meet any specific dates.
We've learned through the pandemic that a lot of different approaches to work actually work well. Our employees have been really productive, and it's going to be all about, these next few months, finding out what the sweet spot really is for our employees and for the work.
One message was consistent for everyone CBC spoke to. Residents need to be prepared to be patient and be kind as local businesses and workers feel their way through the initial stages of the new normal. Alexander Kwan, CBC News, Regina.